3 weeks ago, one of our clients got a no-doc $60,000 soft pull personal loan from Wells Fargo. Same day decision, money in his account next morning. And there was no origination fee and there's no prepayment penalties. And the best part, he put that capital to work. He bought not one, but 2 cash flowing rental properties. And I'm going to break down exactly how he did it all in this video, including the parts that most people miss and get wrong. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to maximize your credit for maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran, and I run a real funding company with 20 plus employees. And last month we funded over 1.2 million in personal loans and over $5 million in business funding. Links to work with my team to fix your credit or get access to 100K plus in funding deployed into cash flowing real estate are in the pinned comment and description below. Let's get into it. All right, let me lay out the basics so you know exactly what we're working with here. Wells Fargo's offering personal loans from 3K all the way up to 100K, and the terms range from 12 all the way to 84 months. That's 1 to 7 years. We actually had a client get an 80K home improvement personal loan for the entire 84-month term. Now, the smaller loans below like 5,000, those cap out at 36 months. And here's what makes this product stand out from everything else on the market right now. It is a soft credit check to check your rate. So you can see what you qualify for without a hard inquiry hitting your credit report. That means you lose nothing just by checking. Now, to be clear on this, checking a rate is the soft pull, and a lot of personal loans offer this. When you actually submit the full application or accept an offer, there's typically a hard pull. But the rate check itself, no risk, no commitment, just data. Now, there's no origination fees. A lot of other lenders like Upgrade, Upstart charge a 1 to 6% upfront origination fee just to give you the money. Wells Fargo charges 0, no origination fee, no closing fee. There's also no prepayment penalty. This is critical for the strategy I'm going to show you later, because you can pay this loan off early without getting penalized. And that flexibility is what makes this loan a tool instead of just debt. Now, rates are as low as 6.74% on their website at the time of recording this video. But let me be real with you. That's the best case number, and it already bakes in the relationship discount. You got to have strong credit. You got to have a qualifying Wells Fargo checking account, and you got to enroll in auto pay for those discounts. So most people won't get that exact rate, but if you're 760 plus, you got that relationship, you can. And this is very competitive with Discover, Amex, and SoFi, and what all of they're offering on their personal loans right now. Now, same day or next day funding. Once you're approved and you sign, we've had clients get funded overnight. Now, here's where I separate what we actually see from what the internet just guesses about. Our team submits loan applications every single day. We don't speculate. We actually track the results. So let me give you the data points that actually matter. So this client who was approved for $60,000 with no income verification, their credit utilization was about 4%. Low utilization signals to Wells Fargo that you manage your existing credit well. However, we've had clients with even 60% utilization get approved for this loan for about $30K to pay off all their credit card debt. New accounts in the last 24 months, this client had a ton. They had 7. That's way more than most people would expect, but just shows that they're pretty lenient. And a lot of people think you need a perfect, clean, untouched credit file to get approved for something like this, but it's not true. They still got approved even with 7 recent accounts. Now, what matters more is the overall profile, utilization, payment history, and the depth of your relationship with that particular bank. Experience score was a 760. That is the bureau that Wells Fargo pulled in this case. Now, does that mean you need a 760? No, we've had people in the 705s still get approved for this product, even the high 690s with a good relationship and a thick credit profile. But you want to be in that upper tier, generally 730 plus, for the best competitive interest rates and best approval odds. Now, here's something nobody really talks about, and what we tell every client is before you go for a term loan or any really credit product, you want to season that checking for about 3 months. You want to switch your direct deposit to that bank account. And this heavily influences decisions with Wells Fargo. It means smoother, lighter touch process, and it's a more likelihood of getting a no doc, no income verification approval. Now, let me be straight up with you, because there's a lot of garbage on the internet about this loan. Wells Fargo can and does verify income at times. Their own terms say new accounts are subject to income verification, but I will tell you on more than a dozen occasions, we've had clients get approved with no proof of income for as high as $80,000, oftentimes below $50,000, where we see that magic sweet spot with no doc approvals. But generally, you're going to need a 12-month bank account relationship with Wells Fargo and at least days of direct deposit history. Now, the stronger your profile, the deeper your relationship, the less friction you tend to hit. And that's exactly why we tell every single client, open your bank account strategically. If you're about to pursue a term loan and that lender offers a bank account, I would start that checking account now for 30 to 60 days, season it with direct deposits and real activity. And that is going to push you into those no income verification personal loans with Navy Federal, with Wells Fargo, and different banks. Now, look, don't get mad at me. I'm just a messenger. Unfortunately, you do need to have a 12-month Wells Fargo personal checking account to apply for this product. However, I'm going to link another personal loan video I have. There are about 5 or 6 different personal loan lenders right now that are approving with no proof of income or income verification when you submit in the right order or the right way. And I'm going to link that video. Now, you do need to have a 12-month personal bank account, so this is a relationship play. But again, you could apply with lenders like SoFi, Desteg, Prosper, Lightstream, and Lending Club. This is where we're seeing a lot of different no-doc personal loan applications at the moment. That's not a deal breaker. breaker just means you need to plan ahead, and this move is to start now. If you don't already have a Wells Fargo relationship, you could go ahead, open the checking account online or in branch and set up direct deposit. Use that account normally and mark your calendar, because once that account has been open for about 12 months, you're eligible to start looking for that 100K no proof of income personal loan with a soft pull to check your rate. Now, if you've already been a Wells Fargo account holder for over a year, you can log in right now and check your rate. The rate check tool is right there in your dashboard, and you have nothing to lose just by checking. Now, here's where I like to take this stuff a step further. I'm going to tell you a few different things, different plays you can run. What you actually do with the money is much more important than what you get approved for. Otherwise, it's just debt. You want to use this as a tool. Most people hear 100K personal loan, they think about paying off cards or buying something. That's fine, depending on your situation. But if you're watching this channel, you got to think bigger than that, right? So let me show you how our clients actually deploy this capital and the rules you have to respect so you don't blow it up. And keep in mind, a good rule of thumb too, when you get approved for a new term loan, is to set aside 6 months in that account, 6 months of the loan payment. If the loan payment is $500 a month, set aside $3K to cover 6 months. It's going to give you some breathing room. Now, play number one, the deal capital stack. This is a play our client ran. They used the 60K to get not one, but 2 different Section 8 rentals, cash flowing about $700 a month for a total of $1,400 a month in cash flow after all of their expenses, insurance, property taxes, everything. Now, he got the extended terms, and his Wells Fargo loan was about $850 per month on a 60-month term. So the property covers the loan payment and still puts a few $100 in cash flow in his pockets, and the loan is paying for itself. And at the end of that loan, it will be left with equity in an asset and a new cash flowing property in their portfolio. And here's the part that other videos won't tell you, and you need to hear it, because if you're putting this money towards a property, you're also getting a mortgage or DSCR loan on. You can't just secretly use the personal loan proceeds. You have to typically season it for 60 days. I will tell you, we do work with DSCR lenders that allow personal loans to fund the property. So this client had no issue using a personal loan and disclosed it to them, and they were still able to secure these 2 different properties. So just make sure you do this the right way, guys. Make sure you're informing them where you get the loan proceeds. If they're asking about it, no problem. Or you could join our school community if you want to work with my team, help you source Section 8 properties, help you stack no doc term loans. Link is in a pinned comment as well. Now, the second play is to launch a business. We see clients do this all the time. If real estate isn't your thing, this loan could be used as capital to start a brand new business. That way you don't need investors. You don't have to give up equity. You get the funds in your account fast. We've had clients use personal loan proceeds towards their e-com inventory, for their wholesale stock, and working capital for service-based businesses and marketing. The key is having a plan where the money generates a return that exceeds the loan costs. If the business throws off more revenue than the monthly payment, the same principle applies. The loan pays for itself. So now the one caveat here is check permitted use terms on specific loans, some personal loan agreements for strict business use. Play number 3 is the credit card liquidation play. This one is more defensive, but it is powerful, and it's the most relatable way for a lot of you guys. Let's say you're carrying 40K across 5 credit cards. You're paying, 24 to 30% APR on these cards. Your minimum payments are eating away your utilization, tanking your score, and it's not even snowballing down your debt. So you could take a loan like the Wells Fargo loan, and it's a single interest or a low double digits interest rates, and pay off all 5 of those cards in one shot, drop your utilization, jump your scores in under a month, and your monthly payment drops because the interest rate cuts, and the minimum payment on these loans is typically less than all of your credit cards as well. So it's going to strengthen your credit profile, your credit mix, and it's going to make your next move, like a mortgage, a car, any of those things, a lot easier. Is one of the fastest ways to improve and revolutionize your finances and unlock access to business funding. All right, guys, here's your quick recap. You want to screenshot the whole product on one screen. The loan range is $3K all the way up to $100,000. The terms are 12 months all the way up to 84 months. The best rate right now is 6.75 with a qualifying checking account and auto pay. They soft pull to check and pull once you accept the offer, and income can be verified, but often is not if you have direct deposit and strong personal FICO scores. You do need a relationship for 12 months to apply for this product. Otherwise, check out my other videos in my school community where we go over 5 different no-doc personal loans. Look, guys, if you just want to work with my team to stack 100K plus in funding or fix your credit, the links are in the pinned comment and description below. If you want a personal funding plan from me myself, going over your personal credit profile, mapping out the different banks that you could apply with, join our school community. I do it for every single client that joins right now. And you can join me on weekly group calls talking about business funding and investing. Guys, don't be a mouth breather. Smash that like button. Dropped a lot of value. Be sure to subscribe. As always, guys, Credit with Colin. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.